Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today, my furry families, Mario and Luigi is here. Hi Mario and Luigi. They're toy poodles, my lovely family. Maybe they are shy, so they're watching over there. But I hope they will watch this way later. Today, I want to show you how to make tartar sauce. In Japanese, tarutar sauce. Sounds interesting. I'm sure the tartar sauce is very famous worldwide, but some of my guests said Japanese style tartar sauce is a little bit different from other countries. So I decided to film this video. And I'll show you my family's tartar sauce today. And then during this video, I will show you some tips and techniques to make delicious tartar sauce. And once you make tartar sauce, I want to introduce Ebi Furai topped with tartar sauce. It's very famous Japanese food. It is called YUCa. It's one of the YUCa dishes. YUCa is a Western-influenced Japanese food, pasta and curry rice and hamburg, fried shrimp. This is the popular YUCa dishes. So today I will show you tartar sauce and Ebi Furai as well. So are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So at first, let's make tartar sauce. So those are the ingredients to make tartar sauce. So at first, we cut the lemon. Now we chop the onion. Smaller is tastier, I believe. I boiled this egg for 13 minutes. Then we cut the egg. It seems Luigi is more interested in cooking. Now we add 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. This is the special container for okonomiyaki, Japanese savory pancakes. I'm sure you know these pancakes already. Can you see? Lemon juice. Then Dijon mustard, half teaspoon again. Then ketchup. And salt and pepper. Now we mix all together. Let's try tasting. And a fresh chopped onion adds a very good punch. And ketchup also adds a little bit sweetness and sourness, so it's a good balance. Okay, tartar sauce is done, and I keep this in the fridge. Okay, now let's make a fried shrimp. We say Ebi Furai in Japanese. Okay, now let's take out the veins from the shrimp. Can you see Mario? They are half Canadian. Are there Canadian subscribers there? If yes, please comment. So we slowly cut the back and also in the stomach. And if there is no vein, it's okay. Oh yeah, here it is. And we continue all of that shrimp. And shrimp in Japan is a little bit pricey. I use medium size today. So now we use sake to cleanse the smell. If you don't like sake, it's no problem. You can just put water and salt. Okay, let's prepare for frying. Okay, so I prepare 3 trays. 1 tray for flour. And second one for the eggs. I put panko. I recommend to use a lot of panko. Kitchen paper. Maybe here's a lazy tip. I mix flour and salt and pepper in here. So it naturally has a salty and peppery flavor. So at first, please coat the flour over the shrimp. Push the shrimp. That's a tip. It won't curl. And please also push to put panko. Don't press too much. Okay, now let's start frying. Let's continue. And frying is done. The beautiful golden brown color shrimp. So now let's do the decoration. And we usually put some salads or shredded cabbage aside of the ebi fry. So I prepared lettuce and leaves. Okay, now let's put 3 ebi fry in one plate. That's my way of decoration. It's time to add tartar sauce. And let's put the tartar sauce dynamically over the fried shrimp. Tartar sauce and ebi fry is done. Okay, let's try tasting. いただきます. The shrimp is so pretty, freshly cooked. Tartar sauce, amazing. In the tartar sauce, the finely chopped fresh onion is the key for tartar sauce, I think. If you want more chunky and flavor, I recommend to add the cucumber. And Japanese panko is a key ingredient for ebi fry, fried shrimp. It's very crispy. And I use pre-made mayonnaise today. But if you're interested in mayonnaise, please check my another video. I filmed the video how to make Japanese mayonnaise from scratch. And if you want to add more Japanese flavor, I recommend to add wasabi paste or shichimi, 7 herbs. 7 herbs is a little bit spicy. If you like spicy food, I recommend to put that in the tartar sauce. And wasabi is also good. So please add wasabi paste in it and mix all together. Welcome, Sui-chan. How are you today? Good, as usual. So how was the video today? I hope you enjoyed how to make tartar sauce from scratch. And also ebi fry. Do you remember the tip? Pour sake to cleanse the smell. And also add a little bit flavor to the shrimp. And tip, please put salt and pepper in a flour. It's easy to season the shrimp. Yeah, and a tip, when you fry shrimp, please push the shrimp. But don't press too much. And you can get the straight shape. And then the shrimp will not curl. So please push until the shrimp becomes straight. Okay, thank you for always supporting and subscribing and like this video. When you have a question or a recipe request, so please always write a comment in a box down below. I'm always hungry. Okay, so thank you for watching everyone. Bye! Bye! Mata ne! So, special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Luigi! He's watching over there.